In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can pin comments here on TikTok. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Go ahead and open up TikTok first in order to do this, and essentially go to your profile by selecting the profile icon down in the bottom right. And once you're on this page right here, what you need to do is select whatever video is that you're trying to pin a comment on. For example, this one right here. Go ahead and select the video, open up the comments. I know it's going to look a little bit differently since I am currently airplaying, but essentially you need to open up the comments itself, find whatever comment it is that you are trying to pin, and long press down on that comment. You're going to see an option on there that says pin comment. Go ahead and select pin comment just by tapping on it, and the comment's now going to appear at the top of your comment section. It really is as simple as that. Pretty similar to like every other social media out there, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, whatever it might be. But that is the entire process. If you guys had any questions about pinning a comment, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you guys do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.